Stitches of love we weave and sew. In this online world we come to grow. Mom and Pop Quilt Shop, where hearts align. Let's embrace the craft and let our souls shine.
Hey everyone, welcome to Longarm Wednesday. I'm Laura-Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today we're working on a unique project, a lovely restoration of a heirloom quilt. It was falling apart to there were so many holes in it, and really was probably the best idea is just kind of enclose it into something. So Miss Allison Johnson, she came up with this idea. It's pretty much recreating the quilt top that needed to be restored. So the quilt that is actually the sandwich, it's the batting of this project. So we have a very nice light white fabric going down first as the backing, and then the antique or classic quilt on top of that, so you can see it, so it's face down, and then the back of where the back is now underneath this new quilt top. Okay, so we've quilted it up. It's been interesting. It's had its challenges, but we're gonna go and finish it off right now. We've got a couple little odd sections to, oops, I thought it was going there first. A couple of odd sections to figure out just by doing a little bit of stitching, just because of the way it was positioned. I tried my best to kind of center it on top of the other one, though it's always kind of a little hard when you've got rollage and stuff, right? I can see Sophia chilling out on the couch there, or wanting to chill out on the couch. It just has this little section to stitch in. Just going to put a couple little flower petals. I'm just trying to make sure everything's kind of getting stitched down and nothing's pulling itself back up. We just have one little section on the other side. Take a look at some of this footage that we've put together of this quilt coming together. Thank you for watching that and sticking right to the end. We're just about to finish this one little section off over here, and then we will do the big reveal. Walt is very cranky today for some reason. Oh, jeez. Okay, we can fix that. Oh. It's doing all this little hiccuping. All right, let's unclamp it. And then unroll the bottom so you can just see a glimpse of how beautiful this quilt top is. Oh my goodness. And it's heavy because it's got a quilt in it. So this just should be absolutely lovely on a bed, just draped over. Allison did a fantastic job. What a way to dedication of saving the craft. To me, this is like an honoring a quilter. You're saving their quilt from just being tossed to the rubbish side. You're preserving it, and you can still see it on the backside through the sheerness of the white fabric. So maybe think of that as a saving one that maybe just might be beyond saving. Take care, everybody. Big hugs to you. Thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. We'll see you soon.